You know how cats and dogs are always sitting in the sunniest spot in the house? That's me. I'm always drawn to the natural light. So I was particularly excited when this latest bit of news from Velux came across my desk because it's all about bringing more natural light into your house.
Which we can all use.
I didn't know this, but skylights deliver double the amount of daylight as a normal vertical window.
Yes, I can attest to that. We put in a Velux skylight last year.
So this is in your third floor bedroom?
Our third floor bedroom.
Now you always want to be up there because it's sunny.
Definitely, we have a little day bed underneath, and even in the winter, it's a great place for me to sit with the kids and read a book.
As we all know, hot air rises. So even when temperatures go up, it's a great feature to have in your house because it releases that hot air.
It's so key having the skylight open because not only does it release the hot air in the room, but I feel like it sort of circulates the air a little bit better too.
There's probably people out there who had a bad experience with a skylight a couple of decades ago.
We had one of those 1980s bubbles that was horrible. We lost heat through it, and then we got rain through it. The ceiling was coming down. So we replaced it with a Velux skylight, and I've never been worried about leaking. It's been perfect. The quality of the skylight is great, but it's also the installation. I mean, if you don't have a good installer, you're gonna have some problems, even if the product itself is really amazing.
Velux has a feature on their website where you can actually enter in the information about the project that you're doing or you're planning to do, and it'll recommend up to 3 installers in your area that they have trained and certified, so you can rest assured that the product is going to be properly installed.
Yeah, and that's huge peace of mind.
And natural light is just superior to artificial light in your bathroom,
for putting on makeup,
in your kitchen, where you really need to be able to see what you're doing. Nothing beats daylight. There's also something called a sun tunnel.
Essentially is a highly reflective tube that connects to a dome that picks up the sunlight and then distributes it on your second level.
And it looks a little bit like a pot light when you look up at it.
Yes.
But it's this glowing, natural source of light.